Our government. India is a huge country. It is not possible for a single government to look after the entire country properly. Therefore, India has been divided into several states and union territories. There are two types of governments in India. A central or union government for the entire country in the capital Delhi, separate state governments for the different states and union territories. Certain responsibilities concern the country as a whole, for example, the defense of our borders and our relationship with other countries. These are the responsibilities of the central government. Educating the people and looking after law and order in different states are the responsibilities of the state government. The central government provides help to the state government whenever required. When India became independent, our leaders got together to form the government. They made a set of rules based on which the government would run. This set of rules is known as a constitution. The responsibilities of the central and state government are listed in the constitution. The central government. Making laws for the country and seeing that they are followed is the main responsibility of the central government. The parliament makes the laws. The parliament consists of the Lok Sabha, the Rajya Sabha, and the President. Members of the Lok Sabha are directly elected by the people for a period of 5 years. Any citizen of India about 25 years of age can contest election for the Lok Sabha. Citizens of India above 18 years of age can vote. The members of the Rajya Sabha are elected by the members of the state legislative assemblies for 6 years. The President is elected by the members of the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and the state legislative assemblies for 5 years. The President is the head of our country. The Prime Minister of the country is the head of the government. He or she chooses several ministers to help him or her with various responsibilities such as defense, health, agriculture, industry, etc. The Prime Minister and the ministers make up the Council of Ministers. State governments. Laws for each state are made by the state legislative assemblies. Their members are directly elected by the people of the state for 5 years. People of the state above 18 years of age can vote. The head of the state government is a chief minister. She or he chooses a council of ministers to help her or him. The head of each state is the governor. The governor is appointed by the President of India. The courts. If any citizen of India feels that his or her rights are being denied, he or she can approach the courts. The Supreme Court at New Delhi is the highest court. Its decision on any matter is final. The highest court in a state is the High Court. The Madras High Court is located at Chennai. There are district courts at the district level.